Hi guys, it's Ambrosia here with Equity Recipe Realty Group. I am here today to show you a great project that you can do in one day or spread it out over a weekend. Today my video is about regrouting. So you already have the tile, right? Whether it's old tile, newer tile, whatever it is. You might want to, 1, change the style or the color, 2, repair it, or 3, refresh it. In the video I'm going to show you in a little bit, I was doing a mix of 2 and 3. So there were some spots that were literally missing, like say in between, I'm kind of showing you here with the grout lines, they were actually missing some grout. This happens over time, it cracks, it breaks down, and you know, tile does require maintenance. And so this particular property had that, which means water can get behind there, which you don't want. What kind of value can you improve when you do this? Not only the benefits of having amazing grout or changing the color or just making it look white again or whatever color it's supposed to be. This particular project might cost as little as $50. Refreshing your grout could increase your home's value by as much as $1,000. So if I do my math correctly, that's at least 20 times the value that it's going to cost you with materials. And if you're selling, like this particular bathroom, they sold no problem with 9 offers. Anyone can do this, you guys. It's simple tools, and I'm gonna show you step by step the tools and the steps that you need to do to get there. I hope you're excited as me about regrouting tile. Now it is ready for some new grout. Next, you want to make sure that you're getting all of that dust and debris that you just took out, and it's ready and prepped for the next step. And then you want to go ahead and use the sponge and get all of the extra debris off, because when you're doing grouting, you want to make sure that you don't have extra debris, because it's not going to stick, and in the future it's going to come out. Next, I just went down, made sure everything's dry, there's no extra moisture. Get some of this grout on your float. This is a float. This one's a heavy duty one. Literally, it's heavier and it's got more of a rubber versus some of these other products. So every time you use this, parts of this can be eaten up. That's why it's important to have a good tool. Good tools are super important. So your next step now is to go ahead and put on the grout. And you want to go at different angles. It's kind of like wax on, wax off, right? You literally want to get it at all different angles in all of the grout lines, because you're putting it on, taking some off, putting it on, taking some off, putting it on, taking some off. And what it's allowing, it's pushing it into the grout lines without taking too much out, but also getting enough in there, right? And it's important to have the right thickness or consistency with the grout. I find that you don't want it too watery, because then it won't sit in the grout line as good. But if it's too dry, it doesn't allow you enough time to get through some of this before needing to use the sponge. Next, now you want to take off that grout. You want to go nice circular, you don't want to push too hard, and you also don't want to go so light and you have really thick grout lines that are unnecessary. You just keep going. You don't want it to dry on you. I made that mistake once, waiting too long to come in and do this part, and I literally had to go through and take out the grout because it was too much. This is what it looks like once you use the sponge. Now it's been regrouted, but there'll be a few more steps to let this dry and then take off any haze or any leftover grout that might be on top of the tile, which just means after an hour or so of drying a little bit, then we'll go back with some more wet sponge and take that off. And then of course, if you didn't buy grout with sealant, you'll want to go ahead and put sealant on that as well. Progress is being made. There's still the haze that needs to be taken off and some additional details, but it is looking so much better, you guys. And like I said, this is not a complete regrout, but it is, going to take out some of that top layer, and it just makes a huge difference. Let us know if you want a PDF that will actually allow you to download all of the steps so you don't have to watch me all the time. Please subscribe so you can get more. Thank you so much for watching. Share it with someone too if you feel like they need a grout refresh. Bye guys.